Hello, welcome to Hindustan Steel Suppliers. We are the distributors for Somani Gold TMT steel. Somani Gold is an premium quality TMT steel, manufactured with advanced technology, finest raw material and expert professionals to deliver the best TMT steel bars in the industry. Somani Gold is trusted premium TMT. Somani Gold has excellent strength, earthquake resistance, corrosion resistance, fire resistance, quality as per BIS standards, better weldability, and higher elongation. Somani Gold has high strength forever. Somani Gold manufactured with sponge iron. Then sponge iron is sent for melting. After melting it goes through continuous casting machine to form as billets. We check the chemicals properties of the steel. Then all past billets are heated and rolled to form Somani Gold TMT steel. We check for physical properties of the TMT. After passing all the tests it's finally sealed and labeled. Hence we will be TMT experts forever. Somani Gold doesn't compromise in quality, hence every batch of Somani Gold passes both physical and chemical tests. Somani Gold TMT steel manufactures all sizes with accuracy and standard weight. To order Somani Gold TMT steel, contact Hindustan Steel Suppliers. Call us. Walk in or shop online from hindustansteelsuppliers.com.